Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Nova Lite. In this video I'll show you a preview of this controller. As you can see, the controller comes in this elegant case. To open the case, lift the lock located at the bottom. Now we can take the controller out of the case. Right here we can find serial number. On the top we can find two triggers and bumpers. Two analogs with Xbox controller layout, A, B, X, Y buttons, D-pad, mode button, menu, options, record button and on-off button. Also in the case we can find this Bluetooth adapter. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.